Good day. Today we will be going through a demonstration of the electronic submission of SBA scores and samples. Please note, for the purpose of this demonstration, we will be using a test environment with 2020 data. Once you have logged into the ORS online registration system, please go to the SBA tab and select SBA data capture. This will take you from the ORS to the SBA data capture platform. The first step in the process is on the SBA assignment type screen. Here you will select the center, teacher, and the subject. Next, you will select the option of either Group SBA or Individual SBA. The assignment of the candidates to Group SBA or Individual SBA is at the discretion of the center and is based on how the relevant teacher has assigned the candidates. On selecting the Group SBA option, you will see the number of unassigned candidates on the right side of the screen. To begin, click Add a Group, and in the space that appears, you will enter the candidates who have been assigned for the first group. Once you've selected all persons that are assigned to the first group, you'll select Save. The candidates can be added to the group by typing the candidate's name or selecting the candidates for the group from the list. You will continue to use the Add a Group option and select the candidates assigned to each group until the number of unassigned candidates indicates 0. A teacher can have a class where some candidates worked in groups to complete the SBA, while other candidates did individual SBA assignments. In such a case, you would first assign all the candidates who worked in groups, and then select the individually grouped remaining candidates option to assign the candidates who completed individual SBAs. In this example, you can see that there are currently 3 groups assigned and 5 unassigned candidates remaining. On clicking Individually Group Remaining Candidates, the remaining unassigned candidates have now been assigned to individual groups. Once all candidates have been assigned, you will now be able to enter the estimated rank, estimated grades, and the SBA scores assigned in a table. The arrows next to the headers on the table can be used to sort the columns by group, last name, or any of the other header titles shown. Use the drop-down option to select the estimated rank and estimated grades assigned for each candidate. Once the estimated ranks and estimated grades have been entered, you can now proceed to enter the SBA scores. If candidates have worked in a group, the score you enter for the first candidate in the group will automatically appear in the score field for all other candidates in that group. If a candidate has not submitted an SBA, the estimated grade selected will be ungraded, and yes, should be selected in the column titled No SBA. 0 scores should not be entered for a candidate who did not submit an SBA. In cases where you see the area to enter a score in the profile section grayed out, and you were only able to enter the estimated rank and grade, this would indicate that those candidates are registered as resit candidates. Therefore, no SBA score would be required to be entered in the table. Once the SBA scores or an indication of no SBA has been entered for all the candidates in the table, click Save. You should see a pop-up indicating the data entered has been saved successfully. This step in the process must be completed for all teachers who have candidates assigned to them for the subject. As indicated in the example shown, either the group SBA or individual SBA option is to be selected based on how candidates in the class completed the SBA. You have the option of entering the estimated rank, estimated grade, and scores directly into the table in the data capture platform. You, however, also have the option of selecting Export to Excel. By exporting to Excel, you should be able to enter the same information of estimated rank, estimated grade, and scores in the Excel sheet, save the information, and then drag and drop back into the data capture table. Once you've entered information in the exported Excel sheet, you can drag and drop the file into the location indicated and select Upload. Once this part of the process of entering the estimated rank, estimated grade, and scores has been completed, you can return to the ORS using the Home tab. And in the Report section of the ORS, select the Report SBA Candidates to upload. This This report will provide a list of all candidates whose SBA must be uploaded. If candidates completed a group SBA, only one candidate from the group would appear on this report. This report provides the candidates to be used when naming the files uploaded for candidates who completed a group SBA. For example, if there are 3 persons in group number 1 and Boyce Sajay from this group is the name on the SBA candidates to upload report, then the candidate number for Boyce Sajay should be the candidate number used when naming all files uploaded for the candidate in that specific group. Once you have generated this report, return to the SBA data capture to begin the upload of the SBAs. You can select either the upload option to upload the SBA's files for one group or individual candidate at a time, or you can utilize the batch upload option to upload the SBAs for several groups or individuals at once. Once you have selected the upload option, from the menu, select the center and subject. Persons should use the ORS Electronic SBA Submission User Guide, which is available on the Caribbean Examinations Council's website, to ensure that the correct file naming conventions are used. To upload the SBA files, you can either click in the space indicated on the page or select the files to be uploaded and drag and drop into the space in the data capture platform. Any file that was unable to be successfully uploaded, an indication of the error in the file name, or whatever the issue is that is preventing the file from being uploaded, would be presented on the screen. In those cases, you would go back to the file and ensure that the name is accurate and make any adjustments necessary. The red X next to each upload file allows you to delete if you realize that an incorrect file has been uploaded. Once the SBAs have been successfully uploaded, you can click Send Email Confirmation. This will send an email with the details of the SBAs you have successfully uploaded to the email address linked to the ORS for your center. On clicking Send Email Confirmation, you should receive a pop-up indicating Sample Submitted, Sample Successfully Submitted, and Confirmation Email Sent. Please retain this email for your records. You should also check the contents of the email to ensure that all the required files for each candidate or group has been uploaded successfully. If after completing the entire process shown and you realize that a change or an amendment needs to occur, please utilize the grade capture option in the ESBA data capture platform. In grade capture, select the center, teacher, and subject. This will present the information that was already entered, and you can edit or delete the current group assignments. Or select Show Table and make any necessary adjustments to the estimated rank, estimated grades, and SBA scores. Please ensure that any changes made are saved. You are encouraged to utilize the various SBA reports in the ORS and conduct quality checks to ensure that the SBA scores and samples for all candidates who completed an SBA have been entered accurately and successfully uploaded. As mentioned previously, please use the ORS Electronic SBA Submission User Guide document for guidance in this process. Thank you.